All right, folks. I just wanted to come out here in the great outdoors and show you a few things about your pond that you may or may not know. But right now it's pretty serious. We've been down to sub-zero temps with wind chills, and the actual temperature last night was about 5 degrees. So pretty crazy cold. And I wanted you to see some of the effects that it has on our ponds. So I'm going to flip this around real quick. As you see, my entire stream here is froze up, and there's ice over most of the ponds. We still have a hole open. We still have a hole open in the ice over here in front of the bog filter. You see that hole? That's great. It keeps the oxygen is changing and the gas is bled off of the pond, and the fish will stay healthy even though it's frozen. The fish are fine down there. But you also are going to hear something here. Yes. That sound you hear is the pump starving for water. All this ice has taken up a lot of the water in the system. So we're going to have to add some water. I'm going to have to get my dry hose that I talk about all the time in my blog posts, or my 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to have to bring a little water out here and add to the system, because it's needing some water ready, because the ice is sucked up a lot of this water. So this is no problem. Just remember, keep a dry hose for times like this, or a 5-gallon bucket, so if you don't have a hole open, you can melt one real quick, and everything's going to be good. So happy pondering, happy New Year, and everybody's trying to stay warm out there.